Hello, we're back with another video, and this time we're going to read the story called Bear Snores On. This is one of Miss Whitney's favorite books, okay? So, this book is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. So, we're going to read this book called Bear Snores On. Looks like Bear's sleeping. Let's check it out. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. I wonder why he's sleeping so long. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Looks like he's making a fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He doesn't even see the mouse there because he's sleeping. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I bought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He is really tired. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at all his friends having a party. They having a good time in his lair, and he is sleeping, knocked out. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. Bear has woke up now. What's going to happen? Oh! Bear is upset. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He doesn't look so happy. He wants to sleep. "You've snuck in my lair and you all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That was a good book. Do you like to take naps? Do you like to sleep? Let me know. Leave your comments below and let's talk about it. See you guys next time.